Hi, ang ibabahagi ko sa inyo ngayon ay ang tungkol sa solving multi-step word problem involving division of decimal, including money. Let us have an example. A problem. Crystal wants to get her average grade for the following subjects. Science is 85.8, Filipino is 92.5, Math 85.7, English is 87.6, Araling Panlipunan or AP is 87.2, and the question is, what is her average grade for the 5 subjects? So to solve this problem, kailangan sundin natin yung steps in solving word problems. So let us have step number 1. Understand. Kailangan intindihin natin muna yung problem. So, si Crystal daw wants to get her average grade for the following subjects. Gusto malaman ni Crystal ang kanyang average grade sa 5 subjects. So, ang napapaloob sa step 1 ay una, what do you need to find? Ano doon kailangan nating hahanapin dito? Dito sa problem na ito, ang ating hahanapin ay ang average grade of Crystal for 5 subjects. Then, another one na napapaloob dito sa step 1 ay, what information are needed to find the average of Crystal? Nung mga impormasyon ang kailangan natin dito para mahanap natin yung average ni Crystal. Then, we have, syempre, ito yung mga data na ating pagkukunan para makuha natin ang kanyang average. So, ano po ang ating gagawin? Ito tayo. Step 2, plan. Ang kailangan natin dito sa step 2 ay, how do you solve the problem? Paano natin isusolve ang problem na ito? Ang kailangan lang natin dito, i-add natin ang mga binigay na grades, then divide natin the result by 5. So, ang ibig sabihin, i-add natin yung 5 grades niya sa lahat ng subjects na yan. Then, pagkatapos, i-divide natin sa 5. Then, after that, what is the hidden question? Ito. Ano yung nakatagong tanong? Okay? Sa problem naman na ito, ang nakatagong tanong dyan ay ang total grades of 5 subjects. And we have step 3. Carry out the problem. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dito ay isusolve natin siya ng step by step. So, ang science is 85.8, then the Filipino is 92.5, Math is 85.7, English is 87.6, and AP is 87.2. So, after that, we are going to add these 5 subjects. And it gives the sum of 438.8. So, after na may add natin ang grade sa 5 subject, we are going to divide by 5 para makuha natin ang average grade for the 5 subjects. So, let us have now perform the operation. We're going to divide. So, let us have a division sign. Then, our dividend is 438.8 and the divisor is 5. Huwag kaligtaan, ang decimal point ay ilagay muna sa itaas ng dividend. Okay, align sa decimal point ng dividend. Then, we are going to divide now 43 divided by 5. It gives the quotient of 8. Then, 8 times 5 equals 40. Okay, lagay natin dyan. Then, after that, we are going to subtract 43 minus 40 equals 3. Then, ibababa natin yung 8. So, nagiging 38 na siya. We are going to divide 38 divided by 5. And it gives the quotient of 7. Then, multiply now 7 times 5. It gives the product of 35. Then, lagyan ng guhit. Then, after that, subtract 38 minus 35 equals 3. Then, ibababa natin yung 8. Nagiging 38 na siya ngayon. Then after that, divide 38 divided by 5. it gives the quotient of 7. Then multiply now 7 times 5 equals 35. Then lagyan ng guhit. Then after that, subtract 38 minus 35. It gives a difference of 3. So after that, wala na tayong ibababa. So magbaka sakali tayo, baka pag nagdagdag tayo ng 0, ito ay wala nang remainder. Dahil nagdagdag tayo ng 0, ibababa natin si 0 dito sa 3. So nagiging 30 na siya. Then 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Then after that, multiply now 6 times 5 equals 30. Then lagyan ng guhit. Then after that, subtract 30 minus 30 equals 0. Okay, wala na siyang remainder. So, eksakto lang siya. Now, if we are going to divide 438.80 divided by 5, it gives now the quotient of 87.76. So, yan na yung average ni Cristel sa 5 subjects. But, hindi pa tayo tapos dyan. We are going to check now our answer if it is correct. So, let us have now step 4. Okay, ganun yun. Titingnan muna natin yung ating sagot kung tama ba. Now, in checking of our answers, we are going to multiply the quotient and the divisor. Okay? So, ang quotient natin sa problem na yan ay 87.76 and we are going to multiply by the divisor na 5. Multiply now. What is a 5 times 6? 5 times 6 equals 30. Then carry 3. Then after that, multiply 5 times 7 equals 35 plus 3 is 38. Then carry 3. Then multiply now 5 times 7 equals 35 plus 3 equals 38. Then carry 3. Then multiply 5 times 8 equals 40 plus 3 equals 43. Now, para makumpleto yung ating sagot, titingnan muna natin yung first factor natin. Ilang decimal places na meron? 2, di po ba? Then, sa second factor naman natin ay walang decimal. Therefore, ang kailangan natin dito sa product ay 2 decimal places lang ang pag-move din natin. So, let us move now from the right to the left, 1, 2. Then, lagay natin yung decimal point. So, the product now is 438.80. Now, look at the dividend. Parehas sila, di ba? So, ang 87.76 ay ang final answer. Therefore, 87.76 is Cristel's average grade in 5 subjects. Yan ang kanyang average. 87.76. Yun lang po kadali ang pag-solve ng multi-step problem. So, ang ginamit lang dito ay 2 operation lang. Addition and division. Kailangan lang natin intindihin yung problem. Pag naintindihan natin, wala tayong problema. Di ba po? So, yun lang po. How to solve multi-step word problem involving division of decimal including money. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood at pakikinig. Sana po ay makakatulong ang video ito. Kung hindi naman po ninyo masyadong nasundan, pwede naman ninyong balikan ang video ito para lubos ninyong mauunawaan. Again, maraming salamat po.